And one day I told about that also. What? I said this light of consciousness goes and covers the sun also. Acha, sun can't illuminate that. Why? Because if sun illuminates this, then illuminator has to be bigger than the illumined. Then this light of consciousness will become in space. It will become smaller than the sunlight or moonlight. But this consciousness goes and pervades the sun. This light of consciousness goes and pervades the sun also. It is bigger than sun. It is bigger than space also. Because unless this light goes everywhere, which light? This Netra Jyoti. Nothing can be seen. It has to mix with everything. Tamev bhantam anubhati. All are anubhati. And this is bhati. Anu means paschat bhati. You mean to say this light of consciousness is all pervading? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very interesting mantra is there. Vedanta is so interesting and so wonderful that it amazes me every day. I'm in awe of the Vedanta also, and these mantras also, how they brought it out. You have to be always grateful to the God that such matter is available after thousands of years also of invasion and rampage in India. Where libraries were burnt. But because they had by-hearted it, therefore they reproduced the whole thing. तमेव भान्तम अनुभाति सर्वम तस्य भाषा सर्वमिदं विभाति. अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. Don't be happy. The mantra is still continuing. I have more ideas and thoughts. बोले so I'm telling you, Veto means please wait. Okay. Oh, this light goes in all over everywhere. Yes. Sure. And that means the object called the sound also is pervaded by the Karana Jyoti. Shabd, Sparsh also is pervaded. Yes, everything is pervaded. All knowledge is because of this consciousness going through that. Okay. Now my question is there. The pervaded object and the light which is pervading is two or one? What? This light is there and this table is there. This table is not the light. Got my point? No, this light and this table are not two, and not one. Light is pervading the table. So when the light of consciousness goes everywhere, so object which is illumined and this illuminator, there should be two then. No. Why no? Because no. Why no? Because if these are two, the problem will be. What problem will be? Problem will be many problems. What problem? Please tell what problem will be. That object which is being pervaded, it has existence. And existence and consciousness are not two things. So that also has consciousness. Which one? Object. Only thing is that consciousness is not not dash, not manifest. That this also is consciousness. This table. It is not conscious, but it has same consciousness. Only thing is, because of the absence of subtle body, the consciousness is not manifest as a live thing. Otherwise, table will jump, or that table will also laugh when I will say something. The book will shake. And if your table likes somebody else, it will go away. बोले मैं नहीं रहना इसके साथ. Therefore, there is less problem with inert things. With inert things, there is less problem because they behave as we want. The living beings are dangerous because they have their own likes. This table doesn't have its own likes and dislikes. If I hit also, it won't say anything. If I sit on that table, throw that table roughly, some people use that table badly, then also it won't be. A person is there, you just rub your shoulders, he will give you such a nasty look. When you drive the car in the rash manner, and what a nice look he gives like that. With some archana also he does. That is called road rage. In America it is very popular. Road rage. In Singapore also it is there. Itna nahi hoga. They are very decent crowd is there. Then you know what they do in road rage? They take the pistol and shoot at the tire if they are very angry. So your tire is burst now. Road rage. If you go to India, then no problem. Somebody is coming this side, somebody is coming this side, somebody is passing inside your car. Then cow is the traffic police sometime. Cow is sitting like that. Very interesting place. Somehow I miss that, that way of living, that natural ways of seeing the thing, that village site, untarred roads, thatched roof here and there, small children playing cricket on the road. Small children playing cricket. They have a small bat and they are playing cricket. Somebody is flying kite here and there on one corner. Some lady is there, he has gone to fill water with the well and she is coming out. This kind of scenes which I was brought up, it is missing. Then from your behind one street dog runs. And then from behind one, here, so this is then buffalo was there. So you see who is there, so too close that buffalo is. Then when old person is passing, so Malik Sahab kahan ja rahe hain? So. कहाँ से हैं आप? तो भाई हम यहीं से, I'm from here only. अच्छा. The teeth was not there. हमको छोड़ेंगे? I will drop me. हाँ दादा आ जाओ. सब तो दादा चाचा बन, बैठ जाओ दादा. That kind of natural ways of living, decent, innocent people with lesser money. One temple is there near the road. Tan sound is coming. Pujari is sitting there doing some puja. That like. So you got my point now. Come back to the point. What point? That existence will have consciousness. And therefore the illuminator and illuminated will not be two, it will be only illumination. So only, what is the problem here? Light is expressing as a superimposed matter. This is called vibhati. Aham sarvatma ityartha. Bhati means illuminator. Vibhati means I alone am illumined also. Very beautiful shloka. So the same light of consciousness is pervading all. And then knowledge is taking place. So there are 2 points in this. That this light of consciousness, few points, I am just summarizing the last. Light of consciousness is first, all that are later. Number 1 point. Number 2 point, light of consciousness should be all pervading. Number 3 point, that the illumined object also has consciousness. Therefore, illuminator-illumined relation is not there. It is only light of consciousness alone is expressing as illuminator and illumined. So, illumined is the mithya. Illumined is imagination. 4th point. 3rd point. 3rd point. Okay. And one last point. Just for your convenience. You have heard that consciousness is all pervading already. How come light of consciousness is traveling then? It is traveling because of RC. Reflected consciousness is localized. Localized reflected consciousness travels. Like, you say I'm walking. So you have traveled because you are localized RC. Consciousness does not travel. Natatra Suryo Bhati. These are the few points. I hope it is now clear to you. So when you see all around, what do you see? Myself. I have reached sun also. Actually, sun is in me. Because illumined is in illuminator. Oh, that means Mars also. Are yes, whatever you think. I'm not localized. No. Not localized. How will you know it if under your light goes? How will you know it? How will you see it? Netra Jyoti has to go there, and this Netra Jyoti is nothing but the crystallized light of consciousness. Light of consciousness going through a medium called the sense of organ called eyes. It is filtered light of consciousness. But it is the light of consciousness that has pervaded all. Nothing is known. Therefore you chant Natat bhasayate suryaha na shashanko na pavakaha yat katvana nivartante tadhama paramam mama. Same thing is there. Natat bhasyate surya. Sun can't illuminate that. Kya baat hai? Such a light exists. Such a light is there. Even sun is not illuminating. And you are illuminating the sun. Sun is not illuminating you. You are not. Sun is, unless that light of consciousness is there, sun won't be known. It is because of you everything else is known. So this is the Chaitanya. Swayam Bhati. So Vibhati means Kara Rupena Vividham Bhati. Same thing is appearing as many. Very beautiful. Wow. Kya baat hai. So this completes our fifth Valli or second chapter, second Valli. न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चंद्र तारकम नेमा विद्यतो भान्ति कुतो यमग्नि. Now the person who does arti, he said, when nothing can illuminate that Brahman, how can this fire illuminate it? Showing arti, he is reminding to the God, he has as if objectified the consciousness is the Lord Shiva there. Nothing can illuminate you, God. How can this fire illuminate? Kuto yamagni. Because after that illumination, only everything else is illuminate. How can this small fire illuminate? That means what? That means you come in my intellect and give this knowledge. Tameva bhantam anubhati sarvam tasya bhasa sarvamidam vibhati. So this completes. I may again come back. May not. Let us now go to the next volume. Last. Oh, we are towards the end of Kathopanishad. I think then Swamiji, I think we'll complete it. You had always doubt. There are 19 verses in the last volume. I think it will be completed before the course. Therefore, don't discuss too much. Let us go ahead. But Gita is also remaining. Wait. So, 19th verses are there. There are 3 topics in this Valli. Although it has been mentioned, first is Brahma Vidya, second is Brahma Vidya Sadhanani, means of attaining Brahma Vidya, and third is Brahma Vidya Phalam, fruit of having Brahma Vidya. So Brahma Vidya, number 1 topic. Number 2 topic, what are the means of Brahma Vidya? And number 3 topic, what is the fruit of Brahma Vidya? In short, we'll see one by one. It will unravel. You will get very attracted to Kathopanishad, I tell you. Your whole perception will change about Upanishad. What you had thought and what it came, it will be different. And more you go, more you will be very amazed to see that this knowledge is there. Let us chant the first verse. Urdhva mulo vakshakha esho shvattha sanatanaha tadeva shukram tad brahma tadevamritamuchyate tasmillokaashrita sarve tadunatyeti kaschana etadvaitat. Again, urdhva mulo vakshakha esho shvattha sanatanaha tadeva shukram tad brahma tadevamritamuchyate tasmin lokashrita sarve tadunatyeti kaschana etadvaitat. Beautiful. First mantra, first 3 verses are on Brahma Swarupam. Ab see, Urdhva Mula, have you heard this somewhere? What is the first one? Ab who picked it? Did Bhagwan pick from Kathopanishad or Kathopanishad picked from Bhagwan? Arey kyun Bhagwan picked up this? This is Shwas of Bhagwan and that is words of Bhagwan. वो तो अपनी It is like touching my own sense organ. If I'm touching my own hand, you can't say I'm picking my own hand. If I lift somebody's hand, then you can say he's lifting somebody's hand. So Bhagwan has not lifted it. वही अपनी बात कर रहे हैं भाई. गीता in महाभारत it says गीता में हृदय पार्थ. So बोथ उन्हीं का तो है. तो थोड़ी ना कि उन्होंने कहीं से लिया है, कॉपी पेस्ट कर लिया यहां का वहां. So how many mantras of Kathopanishad, has been taken in Gita? That is your exercise. I can tell, but I won't tell. What will you do? What will you do? Everything I only say. So what will you do? Well, I have no time. No time. You have to find it out. Now, same verse. देखो एकदम भगवान ने लिया है यहाँ पे. ऊर्ध्वमूलो. This world is compared to a tree now. But tree is very typical tree. Tree is upside down trees there. Tree is there, roots are up. गजब का ट्री है यार, ऐसा कहाँ ट्री होता है कहीं पे. ऊर्ध्वमूल, उल्टा उल्टा ट्री. दिस इज उल्टा ट्री है क्या? द रूट्स आर अप. अजीब सा ट्री. भगवान कैसी बात करते हैं. अरे भाई वेट. ऊर्ध्वमूल अवाक शाखा. And the shakha means the branches are ups and down. Adhaschordhvam prasutaastasya shakha. Which tree is there? This is tamarind tree, or this is this guava tree, or mango tree, or jackfruit tree. Arey jackfruit. Ashwatha tree is there. Ashwatha tree is there. This is a banyan tree. Ashwatha tree is there. Achha. Let us now go into that portion now. So, now in this particular beautiful mantra, Shankaracharya Bhagwan has written a very beautiful commentary describing all three. And I will not leave it because I love the commentaries. I have so much of love, I can't tell you that when I read, I feel wow. So, Urdhmoolam. So, the top, I will come back to it later on. First, he is saying this world is like the Ashwatha tree, banyan tree or people tree. People trees, there the leaves keep on moving like that. People path saris mandola. Shwa means tomorrow. Ashwat is not tomorrow like that. Achha? It is going from manifest to unmanifest. Tomorrow it will not be like that. 5 years back you see your photo, you will be different. If you see your photograph, please see 5 years back. And after 5 years, if you are there, then also you see it will be different. Well, what do you mean? No, I am not meaning anything. I am just saying you will totally different. Now let me tell you the bhashya about that. Here he writes at one place, he describes this tree and he is in a poetic expression now. Jara, Jarana, Marana, Shokadi, Anek, Anarthagatmakaha. Ye lo. In that old age comes, birth comes. बच्चा पैदा हो गया ना. Small baby has born. सब लोग ताली बजाए. वेरी गुड. क्या हुआ? बोले twins are born. Twins are there. Yes. Twins are there. बोले दिखा क्या नहीं शो? बोले हाँ. बोले one is dark, other is very fair. बोले what is original, other is carbon copy. So this is twins are there. जन्म हो गया इनका. लेटर ऑन सबको अब जरा उसी का जरा आ गया. जरा मीन्स ओल्ड एज हैज कम. ओल्ड ओल्ड एज आ गई भाई. Old age. Some people don't walk on the staircase. They have to sit sometimes. They start panting. Blood pressure is high. So doctor said, don't climb, take a rest in between. गजब की old age होती है. The person who was jumping 4-5 steps when he never climbed. 4 here, 4 there, 4 here, 4 there. Who was a champion in athlete, now he has to lift somebody. Muhammad Ali had Parkinson's disease. बढ़िया है ये. Same body with was chaka-chak, People were saying, oh wow, what a body, what a boy, what a girl, you are looking very beautiful, smart. You are just like you. Huh? When a person is around 85, 90, the whole face you can see. Angam galitam palitam mundam dashan vihinam jatam tundam. So there is a vibrator in the neck now. How are you, Swamiji? Swamiji, are you okay? Yeah, what happened? I think I'm fine. Whole face changes. Tooth have resigned all in mass, and slowly eyes are not able to see. Hand shivers slightly. और ये हालत खराब हो जाती है. We are all on the same boat. It's a matter of few years here and there, sir. Sitting is a problem. Standing is a problem. It's a project sometime to go from bedroom to bathroom. This I experienced when I had back problem. When I had this back problem 2 years back, my God, to go to wash basin was a challenge. So much pain was there. Then you understand. Reading is a problem. Hearing slowly goes away. जन्म जरा. अच्छा, मरण भी हो गया उनका भाई. He is no more now. Where is he gone? पता नहीं भाई. He has gone to स्वर्गलोक somewhere. स्वर्गवासी हो गए. He has gone now. खत्म हो गया एकदम. अब क्या हो गया? अब कुछ नहीं, बस rest in peace. I didn't know what is meaning of RIP. Then they say rest in peace. मरण हो गया. ये संसार है. और सुनो अभी तो खत्म नहीं हुआ है. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल डिस्क्रिप्शन इज देयर. आदि अनेक अनर्थात्मक. लॉट ऑफ कैलामिटीज आर देयर इन बिटवीन. व्हाट हैज हैपेंड? डॉग हैड बिटन. डॉग हैड बिटन? यस. अच्छा, हाँ. Then what has happened? Then the sun is not talking nowadays. Sun is not talking. I'm making call and he's not picking up the call. He's not reading my SMS and messages also. अच्छा, बहुत रोना आ रहा है. वही लड़का. We took our money and sent him took loan to send him to America. Took loan. Still I'm paying and he's not talking. मजा है. और सुनते चलो, मजेदार बात है. प्रतीक्षणम अन्यथा स्वभावः. प्रतीक्षणम अन्यथा स्वभावः means every moment it is changing. Every moment it is changing. Sometimes it is like that. Some person was very good with me. Now he is off. Somebody said, I'll give my life to you. I'll give my heart to you. That person may take your life also. ऐसा होता है. Closest people become farthest. Farthest become closest. Who was not talking to me for so many years, now he wants to talk to me a lot. क्या हो गया? One who was to whom I was talking 4 times a day, now it is 2 years I have not even have a tinkle. बदल गया सर. Childhood was somewhere else. Remember childhood days? I can better relate because so much transition has been there. Childhood days was there. There's a football ground was there. Cricket ground was there. House was there. Go inside the house. Mummy, what is there? 7 o'clock. Go and study now. go to the university now, go to the college now. अच्छा, सब बदल गया. Neither people in the house are there, some have passed away, house is not there. You go to the old places, colonies are different, people are different. Our relatives are not there, so many things have changed, we don't know which relative is where. प्रतिक्षणम वरद अन्यथा स्वभाव, कुछ का कुछ ही दिख रहा है. अन्यथा स्वभाव, totally different nature comes up next moment. One simple thing happens and a person's total nature changes. Only he has left me. Arey, what happened? Yes, no. I can't tell you. What happened? I can't tell you. Wives I have seen, husband. One wife, my husband left me. What happened? Just I had little affair with another person. So what happened then? No, but did you tell to him? Yes. So he has left me. He said, don't come in my house with my 2 children. Where shall I go? Just 1 week before, we were talking, laughing. Now it is all over. Arey bhai, talk to him. Not talking also. I'm not talking also. Why don't you say sorry? Said sorry so many times. He's not ready to listen to me also. Pratikshana अन्यथा स्वभाव. Person चलता रहता है. हाँ, all of a sudden he falls down. Heart attack. और सुनो, माया मरीचि उदक गंधर्व नगरादिवत दृष्ट नष्ट स्वरूपत्वाद अवसाने च. माया, माया क्या बढ़िया शब्द है. Here Maya doesn't mean that Maya which makes the world, huh? Students, please see. Here Maya means magic, inexplicable. Maya here means magic of magicians. माया पता है, अच्छा दिख रहा है ऊपर से, body appearing very nice from outside. Wow, what a body, what a style, what a hairstyle, what a nice skin is there. What inside all garbage. If operation is done and somebody opens the sternum, the person may faint also. By blood is there, bone is there, huh? Cuff is there, saliva is there. Anything you touch also, you have to wash your hand. And if you touch something more internal like blood, etc., you have to wash minimum with the soap also. Such a terrible body is there. But ऊपर से क्या बढ़िया, so beautiful. Bag of rubbish, filth, माया. संसार चल रहा है. He's in a big mood now. Even though you see a lot of fame is there. What a famous person. All fame goes away one day. Person is not there, fame is not there. There was a time when Kapil Dev was there. Those who are elderly people, they must be remembering. First World Cup he brought. He was a captain. 175 he made. In England. Now they struggle to get place to comment also. In the commentary box. Many are. Vijay Banjarekar was there, Vishwanath was there, Wing Sarkar was there, Mohinder Amarnath was there. Young people may not know also. इनको पता होगा. हाँ, गावस्कर सब कमेंट्री करते. गया वो दिन, अकेले हो गए स्वामी जी. I'm alone now. A time comes, couples 40 or 50 are there together. One has to go. Well, I'm alone now. This is where we used to sit and have tea. This is where, this is first time. This is the park where we met. What is nothing. मन नहीं करता कुछ करने का बस. Marichi, mirage water, appears very attractive, very good. You will go and hug, no attraction is there. Hello, foreign countries, Swamiji, what attraction is there? There is no attraction there. Go in the foreign countries. No, I want to go to, what is it called? I want to go to see that's, what is it called? Mummies of Egypt. Nothing is there. I want to go to America once. Nothing is there. It's all flimsy. Airport is worse than this airport. Our Durban airport is very good. Johannesburg, Chicago airport is also not good. Chicago is such a कुछ है ही नहीं वहां पे nothing great is there. It appears very good. This is for all for dispassion, huh? Don't be afraid. Only thank God my parents are not there. खूब बढ़िया अभी तो चलेगा वेट फ्रॉम टुमारो अभी तो ही इज डिस्क्राइबिंग नो व्हाट अश्वत्थ ही डिस्क्राइबिंग द ट्री those who realize this they are not troubled because they were not expecting too much from you. Some person are some people who talk a lot, they don't do anything. And when they talk, other person says, Swamiji, don't expect anything, only talks. He doesn't do any solid work. He just chatters and he tries to impress more. He doesn't do too much. Similarly, is this world doesn't give a lot of joy. He's trying to impress a lot. Narayan Shanti Shanti Hari Om Hari Om Tat Sat Hari Om.